People. I have just been to that amazing training, so we don't need this anymore, but now we have a time timer and we also have a lot of post-its. It was a great experience. I learned a lot. And we have this smart warehouse project. I think design thinking could really be a good way to build solutions for that. We need to find out what the workers want, what the environment is, their needs. We need to ideate a lot of ideas. We need to build prototypes and test them and iterate. What do you think, guys?
Design thinking? That stuff with the post-its?
Why do we need to talk to users? We are the IT experts in the company. This sounds interesting, Jules.
Oh, no, Julius, just another thing. We are too busy. We need to deliver.
But I'm really confused how this actually works.
Yes, I mean, they are right, no? I don't have answers to those questions.
What was the warm-up again?
I need more
I
practice.
don't feel like I already
we
tried out a lot of stuff.
But
what
now
do I
I'm
think of me
confused.
when we do this warm-up?
My boss is in the team now.
What do we do with the prototype in the end, actually?
What if you try something different? What if you start with a team of one? When you're just starting, a team of one is enough for you to practice how to explain design thinking to other people, find your message, and also practice how to put together all the methods you learn. If you find this only one person that is willing to try something new, you can get better.
Okay, but who could that person be?
There's always someone in the company, in your team, in your department that is fed up with how you work inside the organization. What you could try is to look for what they call early adopters. People that are always seeking for doing something different, doing something new. How you can recognize them? They're always posting something about innovation, technology, trends, new ways of working in the intranet. Or they are going to meetups and talking about what they learn over the coffee break. Also, what you can do is to actually approach them by offering to help them with a challenge they might have. So they can see value on experimenting with you while you are also practicing and learning.
I think I know just a person. Ulla. She has been in IT for 20 years, a lot of experience, and she doesn't care about what people think about her anymore. She is just wild, and she is brave, and she is always open to do something new. Plus, also, I think Ulla is obsessed with this chatbot thing, and she really wants to build one for the company. So maybe we can experiment with this.
So yes, if you find this only one person open to experiment with you, you will create an intimate and safe space for you to practice and get better at using and explaining design thinking for others, and this will make you grow to actually approach teams afterwards.
Cool.
Might be worth it to try out.